So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about OKX Wallet X Dmail campaign on Galxe, where you get a share of 2 million Dmail points. If you're new to the channel, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Let's get started. I would recommend making use of Mrs. Browser to participate in this campaign. I've already made a video tutorial on how to set it up, so if you don't know how to set it up, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. I'm going to leave the campaign link in the description of this video. This is how the page is going to look like. Make sure you have already added your MetaMask extension on Mrs. Browser. Like I said, I'm going to leave the tutorial link in the description of this video. On the campaign page, tap on login and tap on MetaMask. You'll be required to sign into your wallet, then tap on sign in. Once you've signed into your wallet, you are going to see some bunch of tasks which are required to complete in order for you to be eligible for the reward. But before doing so, you are required to bind your social account. So tap on your profile at the top. Let me locate it, this one in particular, then tap on settings. Locate your social account, just tap on it, then you'll be required to add your socials. As you can see, I've binded my email, I've binded my X account, my Discord and Telegram, and I will advise you to also do so. Once you've binded your social, then you can proceed to the next step. The first task is to follow Dmail on Twitter, so just tap on it. It will redirect you to Twitter, then follow them. Kindly note that the social accounts you binded on your profile is the one you should make use of. All you have to do now is to follow them on Twitter. Once you've completed the task, tap on this refresh icon. Then they will be able to verify whether you have actually completed the task. You can also see that 2 additional tasks has been ticked. This is because I've already completed the task during Dmail airdrop. Let me briefly explain the 4th task, which is verification OKX wallet user. All you are required to do is to register an OKX account. Make sure you make use of the same email for both Galxe and OKX. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video if you don't have an OKX account. Once you've done the necessary, then you can come and verify your task. I'm now going to explain the 3rd task, which is send an email using ZK Sync mainnet. Fortunately, I've already explained that in my Dmail airdrop tutorial. I would recommend you watching the video tutorial first, then come back and complete this Galxe campaign. The only thing that I didn't explain is how to get access to Ethereum on the ZK Sync era network, so let me explain it. So on your Mrs. Browser, search for chainlist.org. Once you've entered the web page, search for ZK Sync, the same way I just wrote it in my screen. Search for ZK Sync, then you are going to see ZK Sync mainnet, then tap on add to MetaMask. On your MetaMask, tap on the left top corner, scroll down and locate ZK Sync era. Then copy your wallet address. Head over to your Binance and tap on trade at the bottom. Once you have done it, tap on convert at the top. Make sure the first row is USDT, while the second row, search for Ethereum. Just search for ETH, then tap on it. You are going to need minimum of $3 to carry out this transaction. This is because the minimum withdrawal of Ethereum on the ZK Sync era network from Binance is 0.001 Ethereum. Tap on preview conversion at the bottom, then confirm the conversion. The thing that you are going to do is to tap on send via crypto network. Under the address section, input the address that you just copied from your MetaMask. Then for the network, tap on it, scroll down and select ZK Sync era. Then input the amount that you want to withdraw. Once you've placed withdrawal, you are going to receive it to your MetaMask within some few minutes. The next thing that you are required to do is to compose an email on the ZK Sync era mainnet. Like I said, I've already made the video tutorial on how to do that, so do make sure you watch that video. I will leave it in the description of this video. Once you have done the necessary, come back to the campaign page and verify your task. The second task is to verify your role on Discord. Download the app and set up a profile. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once you've set up your Discord, tap on the campaign link and it will take you here. Just join their Discord and tap on this rules verify and verify your role. The last task is to subscribe to at least 5 projects on the Dmail website. I've already explained how to do that in the video tutorial, but let me quickly explain it. Tap on continue to access, then you are required to subscribe to at least 5 crypto projects. Like I said, I've already explained that in my video tutorial, so do make sure you watch that video. I will leave it in the description of this video. And that's pretty much it. The last thing to do is to claim your oats and points. So tap on switch to BNB chain, tap on switch network, then tap on claim oats and 45 points. You are going to see this. So this is what you are going to do. Just tap on skip at the bottom. Then you are going to be charged some BNB like $0.1. I've already made a video tutorial on how to get access to BNB on the BNB Smart Chain network. Kindly note that in this tutorial I've explained how to get access to BNB on the OPBNB network and the BSC Smart Chain network. So make sure you don't make the mistake. It is BNB Smart Chain network. And that's pretty much it. And also join my Telegram because I don't post everything on YouTube. If you like this video, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Subscribe.